Introduction to Fractions Tutorials and Revision Guides. In this set of math tutorials we cover fractions in detail with clear guides, fractions formulas and working examples. This chapter contains 5 tutorials with a total of 32 lessons. Each tutorial includes example questions, a revision guide and supporting fractions calculators. We also provide online fractions calculators, which allow you to calculate specific fractions formula in support of the tutorials, or to check and verify your own calculations in support of your fractions homework, math coursework, or to help you improve your own understanding so it is easier to teach your children fractions. This chapter deals with fractions, which are nothing more than the rational numbers we discussed in Chapter 1. First, the structure of fractions and some basic concepts regarding fractions are explained. Then, the concept of equivalent fractions as a basis for simplifications and other operations with fractions is given. At the end of the first tutorial, we will explain how to write a fraction in the lowest terms. In the second tutorial, we discuss proper and improper fractions and how they differ from each other. Moreover, we will introduce another form of expressing improper fractions, mixed numbers, and you will learn how to convert from one form to the other, including some applications of them in practice. That is all for introduction to fractions. To start this chapter, please watch the first tutorial 3.1, Introduction to the Meaning of Fractions. Equivalent fractions. Simplifying fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.info.